Wall Street Loons here. We got a really good one, guys. Really good one. Get on it. Get on it. I put the stock on the board a week and a half ago as a bonus. It is called WeRide. Thursday, 7/24/25. An hour and 13 minutes left in the trading day. WRD WeRide. 200-day, 13 and change. 50-day crossed it. Stock price 10.20. Put it on my board as a bonus last week at around 8.64, but I wanted to do more homework on it. Now my boys are telling me hedge funds are coming in, but you have a stock at 10.20, up 22 cents today. 52-week high is 44.07. The 52-week low is 6.03. Here's my 6-month target, 1763, about 70%, I think. I did it in my head. 12 months, 28.78, a little over 150%. Why? First of all, it's a Chinese robo-taxi company, okay? Yes, and I know the deal with China and their stocks and whatnot, but this stock, I don't think anybody's going to get hurt down here. Shares surged following its offering to a new high of $44 in March. That was when the China and the U.S. relationship, the tariff shit cooled off, and the stock blew up. Look at this chart in March, 45.07. Look at the gap. Okay, it was $15. Came down to $8 on the souring relations, 8.64, I get the call. Now it's going to gap back up to 15 and then fill that gap. All right, shares surged following its offering to a new high of 44 in March, 4 months ago. Moving higher this month. First company to obtain autonomous vehicle licenses in Guangdong, China. Permits, though, what I like about it is they got a permit in the United States, right, which I really like. France, Abu Dhabi, China, and I think Qatar. Number one, NVIDIA, key funder, stands to benefit not only from selling the hardware and software behind the scenes, but on the ultimate commercialization of this technology. NVIDIA only makes smart bets. 7/24 today, WeRide launches Saudi Arabia's first robo-taxi in Riyadh. All right, that's today. A couple days ago, teams with Lenovo to launch 100% grade HPC pilot-powered from NVIDIA AGX Thor chips. In May, Uber invests $100 million to expand in 5 countries. Right? They got about 4 or 5 different cars. Here's the car. Here is the robo-van. Now, last quarter loss of 18 cents a share, though. Significant improvement from a loss of 124 just 2 quarters ago. Very limited analyst coverage. Consensus target 1767. Nobody's following it. Morgan Stanley came out this week on Tuesday, put a strong buy up to 13. Doesn't sound like much, but that's 30%. Market cap is only $2.3 billion, an expected total addressable market in the trillions. Definitely worth a serious look. Bonus stock I put on the board last week, 864, soared on the last China-U.S. trade deal cooling. That's why we're on this. June, they teamed with Renault, and in June, they announced a 100 million share repurchase, and you got insider buying. But we just had Japan come around at 15% yesterday. The EU is going to lock it in, and then China must start to play ball. Japan and EU are in the game. What I'm telling you, it's WRD. And because of August and what's going on with the markets, it's a slow month. There might be some profit taken, but at $10 a share, your downside is about a point and a half, $2, and your upside is anywhere between 15 and 40 points over the next, 6 to 12 months. Love this company, absolutely love it. Everybody talks about robo-taxis, and what's the first thing that comes to mind? Tesla. Then you got Waymo. WRD. I'm buying the shit out of it up to $12.75. Lock it in. Put some of this away. You'll be really pleased. Loons out. Have a great day.